Welcome to Environmental Engineering 1, Module 1, Part 7. We already learned the population forecasting methods, the arithmetical increase method and geometrical increase method. We solved one or two problems in that. Now we are going on to incremental increase method. What is the difference between the incremental increase method and the other two methods? That is the geometrical increase method and the arithmetical increase method. In arithmetical increase method and geometrical increase method, we assumed that the population increase is a constant. That is, the dp by dt is a constant. In the incremental increase method, we are assuming that the increase in population, that is the curve, is in increasing mode. That is, it is suitable for an average size of a town under normal condition where the growth rate is found to be in increasing order. That is the increasing path. That is the portion that we are considering in the graph is the increasing path. The increase in increment is considered for calculating future population. The incremental increase method is determined for each decade from the past population, and the average value is added to the present population along with the average rate of increase. In this method, we are calculating the increase in increment. That is the average x bar we are calculating. Then the next column is increase in the increment. That is the value. That is what all values we are calculated in the x bar column. We are again calculating based upon the x bar column, that is increase in increment. And the average of the same is has to be calculated, that is denoted by y bar. And this is utilized for calculating the population forecasting, that is in the coming decades. Then we will go on to the equation for calculating population forecasting method in incremental increase method. Okay, then the equation is as in the slide, Pn is equal to P plus N into capital X plus N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into capital Y. Here the capital X is the average in increase in population, that is x bar. Then Y, capital Y is the y bar, that is increase in incremental increase in population. Increase in population. That is where Pn is the population after nth decade, X average increase, and Y is the incremental increase. Then we will move on to our problem. That is already we are completed this problem in arithmetical increase method and geometrical increase method. Now we will see how we are going to solve this problem in incremental increase method. The population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given below. Find the population after 1, 2 and 3 decades beyond the last non-decade using it is not arithmetic increase method, it is incremental increase method. Here the columns are first 3 columns are the same, that is year, then population, then next increase in population, the next column, that is we are introducing the y bar column, that is increase in population. We will see how to solve this problem. Now we are going to solve the problem. The population year is given and the population corresponding to the decade is given. And first we have to calculate the increase in population. That is, we are already calculated in arithmetical increase method and geometrical increase method. 28,000 minus 25,000, that is 3,000. 34,000 minus 28,000, 6,000. 42,000 minus 34,000, that is 8,000. 47,000 minus 42,000, that is 5,000. This is the increase in population. Then we have to calculate the X bar. What is X bar? The total of increase in population divided by 4. That is 3,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 5,000. That is 22,000 divided by 4. We will see what is the value. Then we have to calculate the increment in increase. That is, increase in population is this much, and we have to calculate the increment in increase. That is 6,000 minus 3,000. That is 3,000. Then 8,000 minus 6,000. That is 2,000. Then 5,000 minus 8,000. What is that? 3,000. That is minus 3,000. Then we have to calculate the Y bar. Then what is the Y bar? 3,000 minus 3,000. It is cancelled. Then 2,000 divided by 3. This is Y bar. We already got the X bar and Y bar. Now we will move on to the equation of incremental increase method. What is the equation of incremental increase method? That is Pn is equal to P0 plus n into X bar plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into Y bar, where n is the number of decades. Then in which year we have to calculate the population forecasting? That is up to 1970 we already got. Then we have to get the P 1980. Here n is equal to 1. Then it is equal to P0. What is P0? 47,000. 47,000 plus n is 1. X bar is 22,000 divided by 4. Then plus n is 1, n plus 1, 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into Y bar, 2,000 divided by 3. This is the population in 1980. Likewise, we will calculate the population in 1990 and 2000, where in 1990 n is equal to 2 and in 2000 n is equal to 3. Then in 1980 the value is 53,167, and in P 1990 it is 60,001, and population in 2000 is 67,502. The only difference between the geometrical increase method and arithmetical increase method compared to the incremental increase method is we are calculating the increment in increase. In geometrical increase method, we are calculating the percentage of increase in population. Here it is increment in increase. And by knowing the equation, Pn is equal to P0 plus n into X bar plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into Y bar, we can calculate the population in coming decades. Hope you understand the problem and solve the next two examples, and if you have any doubts, you can contact me.